Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching, and it's time to look in the fridge and see what we can find. Let's do it. Here we go. Got some stuff I need to use up today. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Ooh, we have steak and Brussels sprouts. Well, this'll be easy. Okay, I see some mushrooms. There's only a few in there. We'll take that. And gotta have onion. Now I have some cayenne peppers that somebody gave to me. I used a couple of them a few episodes ago, but now they're nice and dehydrated. So I'm going to use these. Back to what I have found. Some cayenne peppers. Some steak and Brussels sprouts. A couple of mushrooms. And some red onion. So now what I need to do is look back in the fridge, because if I heat that up the way it is, it's going to be very dry. So I need to find some kind of sauce to use. So that's what we'll do next. Let's do it. Okay. We have lemon and avocado oil vinaigrette. Some bone broth. Shame on me for not marking that jar. I don't know what that is. What do we have down here? What do we have down here? We have French dressing, sriracha. Maybe that might be good. No, not that. Hawaiian barbecue sauce. That might be good. And lime juice. We have chili lime crema. Now we'll take a look in the pantry, see what's in here. We got some spicy queso dip and some enchilada sauce. Ooh. We have roasted garlic marinara, diced tomatoes. Well, I think the winner is the enchilada sauce and the queso, so we'll use those. That sounds interesting. Get that. We'll get that. Now let's see if we have any cheese, because that would be delicious. You can never have too much cheese. So I have found some 3-cheese Italian. We'll see how that works out. So now I have my steak and my Brussels sprouts. A lot of the work is already done. So I'm just going to cut this steak into cubes. Okay, I think I will use these tomatoes. And I found some beans, green chilies. That should be good. Gonna mix this up so it's even right here. This might even make more than one meal here. I think I'm gonna put the mushrooms back for another time. I don't think they're gonna go so well with this meal. So now, get the onion out. Chop this up. Good. I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now I got my tomatoes. I'm going to drain these real quick. Okay, I got my tomatoes. I'm going to put some in here. Just like that. And now the beans. Let's see what they look like. I've never used these before. Ooh, that doesn't look too appetizing. But it'll be mixed with all this other stuff, so it'll be okay. I'm only going to use about half of them. I'm going to close this up. Save it for another day. Okay. Mix this up. Got something green, got some beans, got some tomatoes. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to cook these peppers, at least one of them, in here with this meal. Give it a little bit of heat. I'm going to take my cheese. And I'm going to sprinkle it here. I'm going to mix this in. Okay, got my enchilada sauce. I'm going to pour some of that in here. Just a little. Mix it up. Got some garlic salt. Just a little sprinkle. Got my queso. Just gonna pour some right in. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. We shall see. I'm gonna spread this around though. Spread it evenly through here. Maybe later in the week I'll make some nachos with the rest of this sauce and beans. So now I'm going to take this cheese and sprinkle it on top. Just because I like gooey cheese. I'm going to take this now. I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And then we'll check it. Now I did find this hot sauce. You gotta love hot sauce that comes in a grenade. Found this at a truck stop in another state. It's got a little dog tag on it. Supporting my veterans by buying hot sauce. I think I would rather use this for maybe some chicken tenders or something like that. Some chicken wings. So I just wanted to show it to you because it's really cool. I think I found it in Virginia Beach. We saw a lot of veteran-owned businesses in Virginia Beach. It's a military town, so it's not surprising. But I like to buy stuff like that whenever I can. So thank you to all the veterans out there who served. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. And now I'm ready to eat. Mmm, delicious.